Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a little trick that I did. Sorry about the mess in the house. It's under construction. It's fun to live here, trust me. Now, what we got is, you see this wide opening to the kitchen? Well, we wanted to close it off to the pets because what was happening is the dog was sneaking out of the bedroom in the middle of the night, peeing and pooping all over the living room. And he won't go outside, so we have to sort of isolate him so that he goes into one spot. And he's going over there where his little pee pen is. So what I did is I put this gate up, and you can see it's nice and sturdy. And what it is he can't get through it. The cat can't jump over it. The cat I don't care about. She has the litter box. And you just push this down and it opens up and it closes itself right back. That is great. So I got another one of these. Actually, my wife bought it. She bought all the gates. Oh, if anybody needs some holiday dishes, let me know. I got a bunch of them. So here is the original gate that I had. And as you can see, it's a little bit high. The cat has a problem jumping onto it. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it does what it's supposed to do. It keeps the dog on the other side. But I don't like it because it's too high. So, and plus I haven't bolted it in yet. So we're gonna see about removing this one. There we go. Wow, real hard. I have all this extra hardware. And then we're gonna try this new one. And see how it works out. I love this stuff, the way they pack it nowadays. It's like you need an engineering degree just to figure out how to unpack it. So we're gonna open her up. Come on, you give up the ghost. Oh, now it falls apart on me. Alright. And we'll throw that away in a minute. Now, as you can see, it's kind of small. It has some legs that can adjust. It's sort of like these. Came with the other one. They go in here. And then you can lock them over. The problem being is that when I do that, it's too wide. And the cat and the dog can sneak out. Maybe that's going to be okay, I'm not sure. So we're going to see about the expansion that came with it. And it falls, everything falls to the floor. Gravity. Let's see what we got here. Only one. Okay. Hey, I'm just happy I can still bend down. This may be too big. And I'll put this on, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be way too big. Yep, it's too big. So we go back to the original way of just going with the bolts and hope that the dog and the cat can't get out. So I need to get this box out of here because that's where my bolts are. There we go. There should be 4 of these. It's got like a rubbery end on it, so that'll should hold on the wall. And there should be 2 more. And 1 more. Okay, so now, notice how there's still a tie wrap there? It's holding the gate shut. If you pop it open, this thing pops open. And you will have a heck of a time trying to control it. Okay. One more. And 1 more. Okay. And then we're going to put it there. And it's almost there. So you can just adjust these by turning the wheel and pushing it out. And then just do the same on this side. Now you want it even, and since I've got the bar on this end, I'm going to actually push this one out a little bit more, because I've also got the door there, which is going to make it hard for Doggy and Kitty to get through. Okay, that's holding it into place. Okay, make sure that the door can, oh yeah, that's no problem because the doorknob is way up here. You can see where the height was of the old one versus the new one. So we're good, we can push it in all the way. Ta-da! And plus this one has a nicer operation, which I will get a knife here in a second and cut this. But for now, we're going to tighten her up. And tighten this one up. And it basically adjusts itself. Once you tighten her up, it starts pushing away. And you can see it doesn't fall. Here's where you got to watch it. See how there's a gap there? You got to close this on its own. So you just keep tightening it until it closes. A little more. The nice thing about it is a little rubber gap there. It just holds itself. There we go. She's tight. Open, close. Alright. And we're going to tighten this one a little bit more. There. Now we work on the bottom ones. Now we have the old rubber gasket thingy that I put up here. Hopefully it'll just come off. Yeah, it's gonna come off. It's the real time, folks. If I make a mistake, I make it on the air. Alright, we're not gonna worry about that. I'm OCD, that will bother me, so I'll come get it later. Kind of a bit of a pain in the butt working on this on the ground, but It's working. Do not remove. That puppy's going nowhere. So, I don't think the dog can get through there or through there, but my cat might be able to. Alright, so let's come over here real quick and grab a knife so we can cut the tie wrap. Come with me into my kitchen, folks. I normally would use a pair of wire cutters, but since I do not have one, I'll use a knife. And we're done. Now what you want to do is you want to close this so that it locks. Yeah, it's nicely locked. You open it. See how it swung past? So what you can do, tighten this up a bit more. Close the gap.